Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will tell you how to properly view your SolidWorks models and assemblies. When you install SolidWorks, number of icons will appear on your desktop. So don't be confused and open first icon. A window like this will appear on your screen. Click on the open icon up here and select any SolidWorks file that you want to open. Now I am going to open an assembly file. The file is heavy, so it is taking some time. You can zoom in and out by scrolling mouse wheel. By pressing mouse wheel and dragging it will rotate view. If you click on any part, a new option window will appear. You can open the same part in new window from here. This button is used to make drawings of same part. And if you want to edit the same part in assembly, click here. This button is used to hide the component. Let me hide this component to show you how to unhide this. To unhide the hidden components, search here for the parts with dim icon. As icon of this part is dim, which means that this part is hidden, so click on it and unhide it. Next option is used to make the part transparent. Now if you want to change the transparency of this part to normal, click on it and change transparency, but be sure that nothing should be behind the part. For that, change the view orientation to make it possible. Now you can see I have clicked on the part where background is cleared. You can also change transparency from this portion. In the fully defined assembly, you can move or rotate only those components which are not fixed. If you want to unassemble your assembly, click on the Configuration Manager tab. Right click on Default Assembly and select New Exploded View. Now select parts and remove them one by one in any direction. After being done, click on OK to save this exploded view. Double click on this exploded view to assemble and disassemble your assembly. Or if you want to make animation, right click on it and select Animate Collapse. You can also control the speed of animation from this window and save the animation as AVI file in your hard drive. If you want to measure any dimension, click on Layout or Sketch tab and select Smart Dimensions. From Smart Dimensions, make sure that the reference dimension is turned on. Now you can measure any dimension. This is in millimeters. You can change unit system from here. You can also apply custom units from Edit Document Units. Now if you want to know the weight of any part in the assembly, click on that part and open it. Right click on material and select Edit Material. Select material of the component and then click on Apply and close it. Now go to Evaluate tab and select Mass Properties. Here are the mass, volume and density of the component. Now the unit of mass is in grams. To convert this into kilograms, click here and select it. You can also change the shades of model from here. And if you want to apply different color to any part, click on that part and select Appearance. Select any color from this portion. And if you want to apply different scenes to your part, click on that part and select appearance. Apply different appearances and scenes from here. If you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel for more. Thank you very much for sparing time. Take care.